Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the OnCollisionExit function in Unity. What is OnCollisionExit? OnCollisionExit is a Unity function that is called once when a game object stops colliding with another object. Unlike OnCollisionStay, it does not repeatedly execute while the objects are in contact. It only triggers at the moment they separate. Versalen metanolen to use OnCollisionExit? Detecting when a player leaves a platform. Checking if an object falls off a surface. Triggering events when objects separate, for example, losing a power-up when leaving a zone. First, I created a simple ground where we will test our script. This ground will act as a safe area for our character. Let's understand what OnCollisionExit does. This method is triggered when an object stops colliding with another object. We can use it to check if the player exits a safe area and then teleport them back to a predefined location. Now, let's look at the code. We create an OnCollisionExit function and check if the collided object has the tag SafeArea. If the player leaves this area, we set their position to vector 3.0, bringing them back to the starting point. We will also use comparative to check if the object the player is leaving is actually the safe area. This is important to avoid unwanted behavior where the player might be teleported after colliding with random objects. After writing the script, we'll apply it to our player object and test it in Unity. Now, let's see it in action. As you can see, when the player moves outside the safe area, they are instantly teleported back to the center. This ensures that they never leave the intended play area. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.